Meet Atlas Vision, the latest high-performance camera system from Full Spectrum Laser, now integrated into our powerful Atlas CO2 laser cutting platform. Here's how it works. Just add a few small squares, called registration marks, to your printed design. The built-in camera detects those marks, and the software automatically aligns the cuts, giving you perfect results every time. Whether you're working on a small sheet or a full 4x8 panel, size doesn't matter. Any vector shape can be used. Simple or complex, it makes no difference. Atlas Vision handles it all with ease. This is what happens when precision, ease of use, and mass production come together in one machine. With a massive 4x8-foot work area, this is our largest machine yet for precision cutting using registration marks. We call it Atlas Vision, our state-of-the-art, vision-based cutting solution, designed to handle pre-printed materials with unmatched accuracy. Perfect cuts every time. Want to talk numbers? Let's get into accuracy. After calibration and subpixel interpolation, 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters. Application-driven engineering, that's Full Spectrum Laser.